Hi YouTubers and wet shavers everywhere, it's MargaretGeorgeTune.com. I'm back in our video. Well, this time around I'm going to have another shave with Cold River Soap Works Schapenmelk Shaving Soap. I had a great introductory shave with it. We're going to have another shave. And this time around we're going to use the same razor, the Vikings Blade Emperor Adjustable Razor. This is the Augustus edition. And I already have the blade in there. This is the same blade as last time. The Vikings Blade Cayenne Hot razor blade. This is going to be shave number 3 with this blade. So we'll kind of gauge the performance and how that holds up. I'm going to be using my Firemare shaving brush, which is soaking right now. A really nice synthetic brush to whip up a lot of great lather from this soap. I'm going to finish it off with an Ozma alum block and Daxton After Shave from Family Dollar. This was $2.15. Has a similar scent to Brute Aftershave, and we're going to see how that performs. And I'm going to finish it off with some Nivea for upstairs. All right, so let's wet the face and let's get to it. We're going to go ahead and take this little bit of water that's on the puck here and just put that in there. Okay, so now let's wet the face and use that bloom water kind of as a pre-shave. Yeah, that's nice and slick. That's very nice and slick. Okay, I'm going to get my brush here, and I'm going to give it a ring and a couple of shakes. And let's go ahead and start loading this puck. I am not going to load it that much. I'm going to load it. I want to see how it performs. I'm going to load it that much. That's it. And I'm going to go ahead and do a face lather. Last time I really loaded the brush a lot. I don't think you need that. We're going to see. We're going to find out. And that's all I'm loading it with right there. And we're going to do a face lather. Here we go. Wow. Even this is just a little bit on the dry side, so I'm going to add a little bit of water to the brush. And look at that. This is amazing soap. It really is. I can't believe how well this lathers. I mean, that is crazy good. Look at that. And just a couple of swirls in the puck. Amazing. All right. Okay, here, got my razor all set, and I am set to level 6. See that right there, level 6? We're going to start with the sculpted comb side. I'm going to heat this up a little bit here, some hot water. There we go. Little swirl in the sink to bring it up to temperature. All right, here we go. 30 degrees, a light touch. Let the razor do all the work, gentlemen. Very nice. Very nice. I use the sculpted comb side without knowing I'm going to switch to the straight bar side. Oh yeah, makes a difference for me. But still, it was fine. Back to the sculpted comb. All right, I like using the straight bar underneath the nose. All right, Well, that's pass number one. Let's rinse. Wow. That's a nice first pass. Wow, that's really nice. This soap has some terrific protection, some wonderful glide. It really is. I mean, it's terrific stuff. It really is. Sheep's milk and lanolin are some of the ingredients. I believe it's also tallow-based. Wow, this is really, and look, just a little couple of swirls with the synthetic brush, the Vikings Blade Fire Mare, and look, I got lather again. It's fantastic. It's absolutely fantastic. Okay, so we're going to turn this down to 4. Okay, I'm down at 4 right now. And we're going to go ahead and use the sculpted side. We're going to go east to west across the grain. I'm going to use the straight bar underneath the nose. Very nice, very nice. Second pass done. Let's rinse. Wow. I'm done. I'm done, just like the previous shave. I did a pass at 6 and a pass at 4, and I'm done. Wow, that is just fantastic. Well, you know what we're going to do? We're going to go ahead and just do a third light pass. Just to show you how much lather we have on the brush left yet. Look at that. A couple of swirls, and look, that's the whole point of this video, is to show you how much lather you can get from just a couple of swirls, a few swirls in the shaving soap. I mean, look, done. Done! All right, so let's take this and we're going to turn it down to, I'm going to go right to 2. Right to 2, like that. And I'm going to use the straight bar, and I'm just going to go a nice light pass against the grain, going from south to north. Nice. That's just nice. Just a nice, comfortable third pass. I'm going to go to the sculpted side right now and just get that chin. Just a little more. That's got it. Third pass done. Let's rinse. This soap is slick. Boy, that is slick. Really, really slick. Nice protection. There is a lot of slickness left in the water in the sink and on my face. I'm gonna have to do 2 final rinses here, one warm, one cold, to really get that excess slickness off, and just really just a nice result. Wow, that's terrific. And look, you know, before I go any further, look how much lather I still have on the brush. Look, just from a few swirls. Look at that. That's impressive. That really is. All right, here we go with our warm water rinse. Well, that took quite a bit to get that slickness off. I mean, a lot of rinsing there, a lot. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead with our cold water rinse and close our pores. And just waiting for the water to get nice and cold. Oh, that's nice and cold. Okay, cold water rinse. Very nice, very, very invigorating. I got a clean, fresh towel waiting for me right here. Oh, is that nice? What a terrific shave. Wow. I mean, it's a great combination. The Schapenmelk Shaving Soap, the Fire Mirror Brush, the Emperor Augustus Adjustable Razor, that Cayenne Hot Razor Blade. That's the 3rd shave with it, and it is still terrific. Sharp and smooth. I get such a smooth shave with that blade and this razor. Really, really nice and smooth. All right, gonna finish it off with the Ozma block here. Gonna wet that in cold water and see what kind of feedback we get here. All right, here we go. Smooth as ice. No stinging, little zing here and there. But other than that, that was great. Wow. Really, really very, very nice. Okay, so just dry this off. And I love these Ozma alum blocks. I love the fact that they're solid. They're cut from a larger alum block. They're machined down. They're sanded smooth. And look at that. Nice. Just a good quality alum block. Ozma alum block. I really recommend them. Okay, just put it in a little dish like that and set it right there on the counter, on the shelf, and we'll have it for the next morning shave. All right, I'm just gonna let this just set up for the next 20, 30 seconds, let it do its job, and then we're gonna finish the shave up. Look, love these synthetic brushes. This Fire Mirror from Viking's Blade is an absolutely wonderful shaving brush. I mean, it retains water when you want it to retain water. Give it a few shakes, it sheds the water when you want it to shed the water. And look, it's just about dry. These things clean up so easily, so well. Love this brush. Really, really terrific. Okay, so let's have some Daxton from Family Dollar. Has the same scent as Brute as what they claim on the label. Not made by folks from Brute, but we'll see here. Not bad. I mean, it's okay. It's good. It's for $2. I would expect less, but that really surprises me. And it does have that Brute scent to it. Maybe a little more scent. Oh, wait a minute. There it is. Kick it in. Yeah, there it is. Kind of a delayed effect. This is the Nivea Aftershave Balm that I'm using here for upstairs. Right there. Okay. Yeah, it's got a, you know what? It does have a nice scent. It's got that nice Brute scent, and it, for this shave, a little bit of a delayed effect. That's nice. That's not bad for $2.15. I think that's darn good. Yeah, I'll be using it again. I really will. Yeah. I need to get a full bottle of Brute and compare them side by side. That's what I'm going to do. But that's not bad for $2.15. That's really nice. Great shave. Wow. This soap is amazing. You could see how quickly it lathered. Just a couple of swirls, as you saw. Just a few swirls, not a couple, a few swirls. Boom, 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 and a fantastic face lather. I mean, really, this is terrific, terrific stuff. Now, that might vary a little bit depending on if your water is hard or soft, obviously, but I venture a guess that you're going to be okay. This stuff is really, really terrific. I mean, regardless of the water you have, I think you're going to be okay. Just a guess. But boy, this stuff really lathers like a champ. It has a nice thickness. It has terrific, terrific slickness. And really, really enjoyed shaving with this. You saw that 3 passes, and that third pass generated as much lather as the second pass. I have even had more lather after that third pass, as you saw. Just amazing soap. I think a puck like this is going to last a wet shaver. I mean, an entire year. That's what I'm thinking. If you're just going to go 1, 2, 3, and then lather, I think this is going to last a long, long time. Wow. $8.95. I recommend you get the tub, the jar, for $1.95 as well, so you can just hold it in there. Works out really, really well, and you'll know that it's the Schapenmelk if you have it in this tub right here. That's it. That's all I wanted to tell you. Thanks very, very much for tuning in. I really do appreciate it. Please subscribe. Please share. Hit that bell so it'll give you a yell the next time I upload a video. Comment below. Let me know. Do you use any of the shaving soaps from Cold River Soap Works? Please visit my blog, georgetoon.com/blog, for my comic strip George, other cartoons, other videos like this. And I'll see you again real soon.